Done.
Right.
Alright.
Good. Good.
What's that? 2 people behind you there, who are they?
Where's the big tool?
In the back.
Yeah, I'll pass it. Yeah, I'll pass it. Who are they? Oh yeah. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, I remember them. They're all in the mountain.
amazing farm down here years ago. Got a video up there before, big turbine. I'll put the pictures in. Crazy. Last time I was down there was 2008. Three-table engines now. It's a good little bit here. Obviously strengthened it for everything. Got some hooligans down there. Show you the main entrance now. It's a bit smoky, but sorry about the smoke. I'm dying to get back in here and do a YouTube video. What was that? Shame it's smoky, obviously the ventilation's moving around here. Someone's given that a good try, haven't they? That was meant to be another exit going to there, another road. Smoky now, I am. Actually know where all the bricks come from. That's intact. Weird. This is the blast wall. Massive, huge blast wall. See all the carving, all the chisel marks. And this is the main entrance. Back in the day, so if bombs went off or anything, it'd only reach the blast wall. How mad's that? I think we covered it all now. Pretty mad. I love it down here. Just trying to get a video where it's quiet. For people disturbing me. No swearing, I'm recording. Thanks. Smoky, innit? Put a rock somewhere. much preserve them and open them back up to public. Bit of work, like, but a good spade and a shovel. And some time and effort. A bit of insurance and a bricky. These are all the toilets been smashed up by people. Shame. Underground drainage system, sewers. There's all the toilets there.
Do they still work? Are they still working? Would you just think?
What's that?
Is he all right to just be shooting up there? I don't know.
Yeah, I think.
Hey, be careful, yeah, because they are hanging off the wall.
The balls are a bit dodgy on that black one.
And then the second set of stairs are hanging off. Yeah, mate, they've only backfilled, right? With soft cement.
Hey, we're going this way. Go on.
Alright.
Shining light up there, dude. Sick. What's up?
Oh, you go out. You going up, are you?
Yeah, I've been up for years. Come on, it's mine.
Put that somewhere down, innit? Yeah, it's off the C30. Brake lights.
It's under cement, that, you know what?
That old bike.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's at the main entrance. Being moved like some distance, isn't it?
Go on. Oh, mate.
Let's go.
I'm not all these ladders forward, so it's good.
Oh, it's alright, mate. We'll go like that. Come on, ladders.
Oh, we're only halfway there. Oh, we're only halfway there.
You alright, Kenzie?
We're waving on a prayer.
There used to be a ladder behind there, mate.
You gonna try and dig it?
No.
Go on. Once this is, once that part is good, dig out this part.
Nah, mate, I want to come back
Watch
into
yourself,
nostalgia.
see them holsters in, they're not really connected.
Don't worry about it, I'll sit on the ladder like this. Don't worry about it, I was climbing up it without anyone.
Been a more sketchy ladders than this, mate.
Oh yeah, we are. Oh mate, you should have a little carabiner up there. Rope down, that's what I think they used to do, innit? Yeah, rope down. That's the way how they rope it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, that's if we bring our rope in.
Soil, innit?
Wow. Take some digging that way.
There's the brick at the top though.
It was always half backfilled anyway, really.
Can't remember what.
Look at the GoPro.
Didn't you know a second?
I can put your light that way.
Where's the big light? Oh my god, there's a hat.
Right? Oh yeah.
That's mine.
What? What's that?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah, so we were so close to the shaft, that's what I'm saying. We're like, what, 2-3 feet?
Under all the hat there, sorry lad. Come on Ken, we put it on, isn't it?
So that would always come back in. Oh, we will.
So, was there another set of ladders or two?
There was 2, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So it was always a 4 set, weren't it?
Daddy, you record.
That's where they got
Yeah.
the 100 foot in total from, because that's not 100 foot.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Calm down, really. I'll just take the ladder off. Dad, you should have brought the rope in it. Nah, this won't get water. This won't keep it for long. Well, was it? Just because that for a day or 2 days. There's nothing to be closed again. Few days.
No, they'll have to do a big search party before they close it.
Yeah, no, yeah.
The last one took months, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Hey, please, come on.
Clear?
Yeah.
Nice one. Respect your work, mate. Ever need a job, let me know.
Yeah.
Clear. Hello? You picked up both lights there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear.
Wait, what's up, Mum? Yeah. Ancient or the emergency exit. You ever?
Sorry, bro. Sebo, J Sebo, shout out.
Yeah. Who's Jay Silver?
Follower.
Is he?
Back in the day.
What? That's been in.
Oh, there's my name there.
Hey!
Robbo! And Vango, here, 08.
Just bring him back memories, lad.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Ginge.
Free? Max?
There's a carb.
Yeah. We'll find out. Oh, we keep finding all.
Little carburetor.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And the brake light. We'll leave down there for later. Thanks, mate. Hey, wait. Oh. Right, we are. Now start again. Yeah, I'll turn up the light. What's that? I think this is fun. Hey, Dad, I'll be back. Yeah, you got to. Come on, lad. But I just said that. Yeah, right, where are you going then? No, right.
Being that way.
Hey, kill the battery.
These are the toilets. What's left of them? Alright. I'm shins.
Women's toilets working.
I don't know. Diva. Robert, here he is.
That yesterday, I'd seen online old bits.
Yeah, all the toilets are used for the Ford estate when they built them after the war, apparently.
Used to what?
All the toilets were used for the Ford estate toilets in the houses.
Like Sammy was used for fucking laundry.
There's a guy down there, look at him.
Yeah, that guy's been there for years, mate. Mr. Hughes, that's no way else. Yeah, the hammer box has been F, bro.
F by what?
F by Russ.
Corrosion mice.
J, A. J.
Yeah. There's T and C down here somewhere where I took a picture of T guy.
TJ.
Dean, TT.
TJ. TG.
Yeah, you should get a picture of TJ, TG.
Look at that.
Put it back, that's the cork down. Stop the water from coming through the hole.
I did. Put it back in. Yeah.
Right back to the former house.
I just want to see
Here's
the
the old alien.
feel the breeze now.
Oh, you should take one. Look, because I was taking one.
Feel.
There's the sandpit too. Watch out!
Is he on the, I thought he was on the phone then.
Oh, going down the old entrance where we dug out 2008. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, someone's had a go with that. There's meant to be another entrance that leads to the side road over there. No, the road there by Boundary. This is, nah, it wasn't. I think it was a talk. This is where I took my first ever picture in here. I'll put it up on the screen.
They put the name on the door.
This is where me and it's where we dug from that top corner all the way down. That was our entrance.
I remember that.
Back in the day.
Yeah, you got sliding through that corner there.
Took us hours.
You used to be ended up riddled with mud before you even got in here.
My little note was here saying please seal up after leaving.
And then what happened to it? The police took it for evidence. Yeah, it's not far, straight in.
Whoa.
Stick it out. All under, it's under cement, mate.
Yeah, don't you get cut your fingers.
I'll get cut.
Who's TJ?
Me?
Yeah.
I was
Sorry.
drunk last night, Barry.
Yeah, we get a few babies down here.
Yeah, alright, I said you were here till like.
Like 11, wasn't it? Something like that.
Yeah, if you don't want to stand just where you are, a bit further down, we'll then 2 hours, just face you away. Nice one. Yeah. Torches down that way, yeah. Torches down that way.
Face that way.
This way.
Face that way, face that way.
One more, one sec. Yeah, man.
Keep that out, you know. Oh, that's good. Well,
That's the old place.
come on. You get lost before.
Oh, someone's had a proper go at that, haven't they? Jesus.
It's flat like all the others. You know what I mean, don't you?
Yeah,
Like
I
all the
reckon.
holes in the walls.
Well, there's meant to be one that was meant to go all the way to the allotments. There's like a little power station by the allotments. There's a grid there. Someone said that was the second shaft, but it's not on the map.
Is it not?
No.
Have you got the map?
Yeah.
Where? On your phone.
I can't get it right now, but I might be able to find it in a minute, yeah.
Hey, can we do that?
Send me a few more photos, I'll get the map.
Who was setting off fireworks down there? Me, mate. Like, this was like years ago, though. Look at you still.
I come down here once, it was just...
Yeah, we built sandcastles.
It's just-
Well, we were drunk.
No
Turn round the other way, turn that way, shiny torch down.
Yeah, that way.
Stay there. Do the mad bit.
Can't believe they got lost.
I'll be back in a bit. GoPro, boys. Hours later, still here. Always go right, he says. There's our Teddy.
Oh, Tux.
Tux, yeah. Who remembers Tux, everyone?
You were looking for him earlier. You go and put him back on the ladder.
Can't believe you remember where he was. Yeah. Tux.
I'll put him back on the ladder.
Hasn't changed, has it? Isn't it like DK wise or nothing? We had two, didn't we? What?
It was free.
I think one fell down there. We couldn't get him back out. Yeah, that's where he was. Rehome, a bit sloppy like.
Yeah, he's a bit sloppy, but he's still with us after all these years. You know, he's got a little mate down here too.
What's his name?
But now we'll come crocodile one day.
Back where we started. Just film me walking down there behind me.
Is that what they don't film more?
Yeah. Let me know when it gets to a minute and stop it. A minute yet?
5-minute one of you though. Got Ryan's radio on me.
Oh, sick, nice one. What?
Moving out of the way. That's quite dangerous, that.
You all just got up. You all just got up. You sleep well.
Stuck in there, stuck in there. Got a bone. Look at this, Ken. Shush, teeth.
Oh, it stinks.
Really, I didn't know. Want to go in? This was yours this way. Great place to right here. That's why, just be careful.
Mind the grid.
Why does it matter? Until you start that you should know eating. We get that we're getting around it today. Go on.
Stinks, that.
Go. Alright, boys.